In front of us stands a true icon of Australian automotive history, the Holden Belmont HQ 1972, finished in a glossy metallic sky blue, shining proudly under the bright showroom lights. Its classic lines and smooth curves define an era when cars were built with both heart and toughness. As we move closer, the Belmont's front fascia draws our attention. The bold chrome grille, twin circular headlights, and the signature Holden emblem sitting like a badge of honor, reflecting a legacy that stretches across generations of Aussie motoring. The paint gleams beautifully, perfectly balanced against the pure white luxury showroom background, making every contour and shadow stand out. From the side, you can appreciate its timeless sedan silhouette, long, elegant, yet strong, with subtle chrome detailing running across the doors and polished side mirrors adding that old-school charm. The rims, detailed in silver metallic finish, sit perfectly around the rugged yet refined tires, giving the car a confident stance. As we shift angles, the rear design speaks of simplicity and durability. Those square tail lights and clean trunk lines show that the Belmont was built to last, whether it was driving through the city streets or down dusty country roads. Moving lower, we explore the car's underbody, an area that reveals the real craftsmanship of its era. From the rear undercarriage, you can see the chrome exhaust system running cleanly under the chassis, the differential housing shining with authentic metallic texture, and the suspension arms designed to endure Australia's tough landscapes. Every mechanical detail underneath tells a story of precision, durability, and mechanical honesty, things that defined Holden engineering in the 1970s. Now, as we lift our view slightly, the camera glides through the interior, a world of vintage elegance. The doors open to reveal black leather seats that carry the essence of true craftsmanship. The dashboard, classic and simple, features analog dials with soft chrome bezels, a retro steering wheel with the Holden badge, and manual controls that connect driver and machine in a way modern cars can't replicate. The polished black dashboard surface reflects the light softly, while the classic radio and air vents remind us of a time when driving was pure and mechanical. The seats are stitched with care, offering both comfort and durability, surrounded by a clean, black-on-blue contrast that makes the cabin feel timeless. As we take a 360 degrees view around the cabin, we see how light plays over the textures. The steering column, the gear shifter, and the floor mats all combine to deliver that authentic 70s experience. Now the camera pans back outside, circling the Holden Belmont from every angle, the reflections on the glossy sky blue paint shifting with every curve of the body. The front chrome bumper shines against the marble white floor, and the car's stance feels proud yet approachable, a true workhorse for Aussie families and tradesmen alike. Moving closer to the engine bay, the hood lifts to reveal the heart of this machine, a clean, powerful Holden inline-six engine, painted in signature blue, with chrome valve covers and tidy wiring. Every component is meticulously restored and positioned with care, reflecting the simplicity and reliability of the 1970s design philosophy. The mechanical parts, belts, hoses, and radiator glisten under the bright showroom lights, as if they've just rolled off the factory floor in Elizabeth, South Australia. The sound of that engine, if you imagine it, would be a deep and steady hum, not loud, but confident, the kind of tone that reminds you this car was made for real roads and real people. As we shift to a lower angle, the reflections of the headlights and the marble floor create a cinematic glow, turning this practical workhorse into an object of admiration. The Belmont was not just a car, it was a partner for families, farmers, and tradies across Australia, built tough but with a sense of pride and class. Each panel, each curve, and each piece of chrome tells the story of a nation's automotive evolution. Moving once more to the rear underbody, the camera captures the entire structure from below, the exhaust pipe gleaming, the chassis clean and strong, and the tires showing realistic depth and wear, a testament to Holden's durability. As the final shots glide around the car, the smooth reflections and balanced studio light reveal every inch of this metallic sky blue beauty in full 8K detail, consistent and elegant, as if preserved in time. This is the Holden Belmont HQ, a car that represents more than just transportation. It symbolizes an era of Australian craftsmanship, reliability, and pride. Even today, its charm continues to capture the hearts of car lovers everywhere, a reminder that true classics never fade, they just keep shining brighter with time.